Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox this Lifepro Waver Vibration Plate. I just got it in the mail and we are just going to open it. Here comes the thank you. The packaging is good. No broken packages in the delivery. This looks like a manual. It comes in different languages. Of course, we are only looking for the English here, but pretty good illustration looks like. It has some information along with some postures. It also says lifetime warranty and some exercises. So yeah, this looks helpful. And then all sort of stuff related to don't do that or this. It also comes with a first steps or some sort of illustrations. So yeah, this is what I was suggesting, right? So it has all the exercises, including the warm-up, the lower body, the upper body, the core, the massage. The first step, obviously we are unboxing the waver and accessories. Read all safety instructions. And then they also have mentioned go to waver.lifeprofitness.com to activate your lifetime warranty. So yeah, this is going to be helpful if you really want to leverage that lifetime warranty. It says recommend starting seated, obviously because your body is not used to this vibration plate. You may fall, so they are just suggesting that start seated, and then gradually once you are comfortable, you can stand up and start on low vibration mode or something like that, right? And it also has a video tutorial library. It has a QR code. You can scan it using your phone and then go to their website to understand their product more. Reversing it, here the card shows all these warm-up exercises, starting stance, and all the warm-up exercises, basically the lower body exercises and the upper body exercises, the core, the massage, and kind of stuff. So yeah, this is all, by the way, is available on the lifeprofitness.com. If you scan this QR code, all of this is available on their site, so it is helpful. So it looks like a good product. Now comes the main part here. This is the product. It's quite heavy. Here we go. And then there's two more pieces in the box. Rather more than just two pieces. I'll just take them out. The box goes away. This is I forgot how to open knots. Well, okay, here we go. So it looks like there is, oh, these are the what do you call them, the stretch bands. It looks like a rope, but it's an elastic stretch band that came with this plate. And this is supposed to be the power cord. Yeah, so that's the power cord. It works on US 110 volt circuit. So assume this directly plugs into the plate. It should be somewhere around in the front, no, on the back, no, on the side, no. Oh, in the front. How can I miss that? So this directly plugs in to power. Let's see. Before going down there, I have two more pieces left. So this is the remote. So it's very useful because I have seen some other vibration plates where there's no remote, and you stand on the vibration plate, you change the mode, and to change another mode you have to just bend forward, and that's the problem, right? So you are vibrating, your whole body is vibrating, and you can easily lose the balance. So the remote comes handy. You can turn it off, you can change the speed, the time, the program mode, and all sort of stuff. So this comes very handy. Not very sturdy remote, it's a cheap plastic remote. Requires two AAA batteries. That doesn't come with the product, but it's fine. Means you just are going to use it when you are using this plate. But they could have done better on the remote quality. This is very cheap quality remote. Alright, now the bag. Let's see what goodies are in there. These are the bands, and they're all included. So the light, the medium, the heavy, and the extra heavy. So these are all useful when you are going to do some extension training, or you call the stretching exercise and kind of stuff. So, alright, that's that. So now I'm going to plug this stuff in. Let's see. The first side. There it goes. And then I'll simply play start. Cool. Well, that's what I was saying, right? So just imagine you are standing on this, you are vibrating, and then you really want to change the speed. You'll have to bend down, right? And that is where this remote comes in. If you don't have the remote, just don't buy a product like that. So I don't have the battery, but I'm just illustrating. So I'm just pressing high. Right. So this is on 99. This is vibrating very fast, and then you have low. So the speed is decreasing. 40, 30, 20, 1. So that's 1. You can change the time. You can change the mode. I don't know what does that mean, but I can always go back to their website and understand more. But yeah, pretty decent product. Stop. Good. P01, P1. Let's see what does it do. And then this has some written marking that says running. So if you put your feet on both the ends. It says it's equivalent to running. Then the middle portion is jogging, and then if you stand in the middle portion or both your feet in the middle, it's equivalent to walking. So yeah, I'm just going to try this. I am building my basement gym, and this will be one of the items that I'm going to put in there. I am hoping that it is going to be a good fitness equipment, but yeah, let's see. I'll keep posting the updates, and if you get time, go out and search for my videos. My channel name is Pin Pixels, and you can find all sort of videos related to the updates on my home gym build. That is what I'm actively working on, and you'll see some more updates. And please do like and subscribe the videos. Thank you. Bye bye.